Today I'm going to show you how to use a Affresh washing machine cleaner. It helps remove odor-causing residues and grime the daily loads leave behind. And one thing that's important to know is that it says use once a month or every 30 cycles to maintain a consistently clean machine. Now it's important that you read the instructions and warnings on this before use so you know how to do it yourself. Now it says how to use, all right? It says remove the clothing and other items from the washer. We're gonna get to that, but first thing I'm gonna show you is the Affresh tablet that's in here that we're gonna be putting in here. Now, it comes in the pack and you just simply tear it. I'm not gonna touch it itself because it is kind of irritant. It can be irritant to the skin. So I'm just gonna show you by just touching the packet. So that is the tablet that we're gonna do. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the clothing from my washing machine. Let me go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm gonna remove the clothing from out of the tub right here. Very important that you remove the clothing. Now, after you do that, you're gonna take the tablet, which I have right here, and I'm just gonna place it inside of the drum. So I'm just gonna drop it down in there. Place it inside of the drum like that. Now, it's important that you put it in the drum. Do not place it inside of the dispenser, okay? It's important that you place it inside of the drum. All right, so after I do that, I just close this. And then once you have it closed, you're gonna go ahead and turn on your washing machine, all right? So once you have your washing machine on, you're gonna select the clean cycle, okay? If you have a cleaning cycle, very important that you do the clean cycle. If not, run it under the normal wash with the hottest temperature possible that is available. All right, very important that you do that. All right, and after the load is done, it'll be clean, and you just simply wipe down the inside of the washing machine to remove any residue that may be left behind. All right, I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. And you should also read your instructions for your owner's manual for your wash machine to see if this is okay for doing this, okay? So this is important that you read the instructions for your particular wash machine.